Are you wondering how to get Messenger to open? Today I will show you how to fix Messenger not opening. Hello and welcome to F1 Expat. My name is Norm. Okay, let's get into it. First thing to try is to restart your phone. Once the phone is restarted, try to open Messenger. If Messenger is not opening, then select Play Store. Select your profile image at the top right of the screen. Select Manage Apps and Device. If any apps need updating, do so now. After apps are updated, try to open Messenger. If Messenger is not opening, then select the settings gear icon. Every phone is different, so you will have to search for the phone settings on your phone. Select Apps. Select Messenger. Select Storage. Clear data. Clear cache. Go back to home screen. Open up Messenger. Messenger should be working now. If Messenger is not working, then delete the app and install new. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.